Good morning, students. Welcome to Government Degree College, Basoli. I'm Dr. R.K. Manhas, and I will be discussing botany with you. Dear students, this year you will be having two semesters, and I'll start with semester one. And in semester one, we have basically five units, and in these 5 units, we'll study right from prokaryotes to eukaryotes. So the first unit is comprised of microbes and microbiology, and in this entire unit we'll discuss the viruses, bacteria, then viroids, prions, importance, the economic importance they have. So before we start, let us have an idea about the books which you can have with you. Basically, there are a number of books, and they all have one single title or single title: Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams. This title is basically the title of your paper, that is botany paper, which you will be studying in the next few months. Dear students, Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams, this is the title of the book, and different publishers they are there. So best book of these is Singh, Pandey and Jain, Rastogi publication. Now Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams, written by YP Singh, is also a good book, a very concise book. Then another book is of Vinesh publication, and written by different authors, uh, including me. And then there is Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams, the publication, and then Modern publication. So these are the top five publishers which we have. So now let us have a summary about what we will be studying in Unit 1, General Account of Plant Viruses. Now in this unit we'll be studying about what structure they have, what is their mode of transmission, how they are controlled, and then we'll study the viroids and prions. Now these are two very interesting, you can say, organisms or chemicals, or you can say pathogens, which are there in nature, very interesting and new for you. And then we'll study bacteria, and in bacteria we'll study the ultrastructure, their nutrition, how they take food, or what type of food they take, what is mode of nutrition, and then how they produce. Then we along with this we'll also study mycoplasma and cyanobacteria. Now these two are again prokaryotes like bacteria, and we'll study their structure, and then their economic importance. Genetic recombination in bacteria is how the genetically, you can say, division of or in bacteria occurs. It occurs through three phases: transformation, transduction, and conjugation. And the fourth part of this unit is about the economic importance of bacteria. We know that bacteria is highly, you can say, important for us, right from cheese, butter, and then curd, which we eat, we consume, to liquor, beverages, you can say. They all are, you can say, the component or economically important things which we get from bacteria. And then finally viruses, they are important as well as harmful for us.